We often overlook the most used element in a home, the door. It's a first impression and final goodbye. What if that first impression came with a potential 75% return on investment? In high-end real estate, a superior door is a key selling point, signaling quality throughout the home. But this financial value is built on something deeper, a fusion of art, engineering, and experience. We'll dissect how a luxury door achieves this and show a new collection that embodies these principles. The Odyssey by Panda. First, a superior door transforms an entrance into a focal point. It becomes functional art. This art signals intention. It suggests the quality of the space that lies within. Beyond looks, it performs. Engineered for smooth operation, privacy, and insulation. This performance is built to last. Solid construction and high-quality finishes resist wear and tear for years. So, we have aesthetics, intention, performance, and durability. But what is happening under the hood to make this possible? It starts with energy. Advanced insulation and weatherproof seals prevent drafts, actively reducing heating and cooling costs. But how is that feeling of solid, quiet security actually engineered into the door? The answer connects design to physics. Part of the answer is sound management. Solid cores and dense, multi-layered materials are used specifically to absorb and block noise. The other part is mechanical precision. Every component, from the hinge to the handle, is made for flawless, long-lasting operation. Finally, that security is literal. High-end doors are strategically reinforced with layers of engineered wood and advanced locking systems. Features like multi-point locking secure the frame at several points, distributing force and making a breach much more difficult. This level of engineering provides a powerful canvas. So how do designers apply this performance to create a unique aesthetic? The main benefit is customization. The ability to fit every element to a specific architectural vision is a mark of luxury. This means a vast material palette, rich veneered woods, sleek laminated metals, and dramatic glass inlays. Even tactile finishes like leather or custom wallpapers are possible. Every detail communicates taste and quality. That feeling of solid security we asked about earlier? It's born here, where dense materials chosen for beauty also provide acoustic integrity. We've covered the financial, the physical, and the aesthetic. But what about the daily human experience? A high-end door does more than open. It creates a sense of arrival, a deliberate transition from the public world to a private space. The weight of the door and the solid sound it makes when closing are sensory cues that create a feeling of sanctuary and safety. Inside, these principles continue. A well-made door to an office or bedroom doesn't just give privacy, it preserves focus. This attention to detail is what defines a project. It shows care was paid not just to how a space looks, but how it feels to live in. So how does all of this, the engineering, the aesthetics, the feeling, circle back to that initial promise of value? Let's connect the dots. That 75% ROI we mentioned isn't magic. It's a direct result of demonstrable engineering buyers see as real value. The increase in property value is driven by that sensory experience. The sense of arrival is a powerful emotional driver in high-end sales. A luxury door, therefore, is where design intent, engineering integrity, and emotional impact meet. A singular element for an entire project. The ultimate expression of this synthesis requires a product designed from the ground up to achieve it. This is the idea behind the Odyssey collection. Panda Windows and Doors introduces Odyssey, a collection that brings together every principle we've discussed. Customization and precision. German engineering. From expansive pivot doors that redefine an entrance to interior doors that craft intimate, quiet spaces, Odyssey is a complete system. A door is never simply a door. It's an investment, a piece of fine engineering, and the first touch point of a home story. Begin your next project story. See the Odyssey collection. Visit Panda Windows and Doors to specify your vision.